Fluence with Writefluenza, the wings to your creative writing skills. Open for all themes. Theme open, fiction, word count 1000 to 3000 words. Font Arial 12 pt. Only entries that are under 3000 word limit, not including title, will be accepted. All entries will be judged anonymously, so you must include the title of the story, but not your name or address or any identifying information of entrant. The competition is open internationally to anyone over the age of 16, and all entries must be written in English. All entries must be the work of the person entering and must not have been published anywhere online, including blogs and websites, or accepted for publication elsewhere. The winning entries will be published by Writefluence in the anthology. Entries that do not comply with competition rules will be disqualified. No entries will be accepted via email. No corrections post entry can be accepted. Let's be fair. It is a competition. The results of competition will be published online and the decision of the judges will be final. Please note that unsuccessful entrants will not be contacted. Submission deadline: the closing date for entries is June 30th. Submission free. Entrants can send up to 5 submissions. Results will be announced on July 31st. Winning stories will be published in a book. Multiple books to be released thereafter. All winning writers will win a special author feature in the book and merit certificate virtually from Writefluence after the books is published. Top 3 writers from each resultant book will receive one physical copy of the book, one merit certificate virtually from Writefluence, and early bird prizes, a participation certificate virtually, will be sent for first 20 entries. Writers of the Future second competition. Prizes each quarter: $1,000, $750, and $500 separately. Quarterly first place winners compete for $5,000 additional annual dollars prize. Open to new and amateur science fictional and fantasy writers. All judging done by professional writers. No entry required. Entrants retain all publication rights. No entry fee is required. All type of science fiction, fantasy, and dark fantasy are welcomed. By submitting to the contest, the entrant agrees to the rules. All entries must be There shall be also 3 cash prizes in each quarter. In addition, at the end of the year, first place winners will have their entries judged by panel of judges, and a grand prize winner shall be determined and receive an additional $5,000. All winners will also receive trophies. Competition has 4 quarters beginning on October 1st, January 1st, April, and July 1st. This year will end on September 30th. To be eligible for judging in its quarter, an entry must be postmarked or received electronically no later than midnight on last date of the quarter. Late entries will be included in the following quarter, and contest administration will so notify the entrant. All entries for each quarter are final. No revisions are accepted. Entries will be judged by professional authors. The decisions of the judges are entirely their own and are final and binding. Winners in each quarter will be individually notified of the results by phone, mail, or email. The competition is void where prohibited by law. To send your entry electronically, go to writersofthefuture.com/enter/writers contest and follow the instructions, or in hard copy you can mail it to the following address. Thanks for watching my channel. Like and subscribe my channel. Special thanks to Kavita is here, Indian Talent Olympiad YouTube channel, and Competite Time /Entertainment Academy. See you in the next video.